Who doesn't like a chilled can of beer alongside a grilled cheese, burger, or a smoky chicken recipe? Proper camping, glamping, or any outdoor picnic trips demand a good cooler, especially in the spring and summer. Yes, we understand that many of us just don't like to carry a heavy box of beer cans on our camping trips, but that's where a rolling cooler rocks. Well, as you may already know, that we like to try various items on our different outdoor trips, and recently we got our hands on a unique 55-quart rolling cooler called the BRÜTANK. And after using the cooler for a considerable amount of trips, we've decided to make this BRÜTANK 55-quart rolling cooler review video. So let's see if it's the best rolling cooler from BrÜMate. So this is the BRÜTANK from none other than BrÜMate. As you can see, we got the white colored one, and the outlook of the cooler is astonishing with this EVA foam seat lid on the matte white, right? We think it's the only 55-quart cooler with this many functionalities. So that was a quick impression of the cooler. Now let's get to the point, shall we? If we measure this cooler, it's broader than 32 inches and deeper than 19 inches. And the tough roto-molded exterior was well capable of handling the rigors of our toughest usage. And you see the lid features an EVA foam cushioning, which doubles the cooler as a seat. Now here we've got these amazing durable puncture-resistant all-terrain wheels. And oh my, these rubber-made wheels are definitely tougher than we expected them to be. Well, while we tried to push its limits, we found these wheels very tough and reliable for tailgating and maneuvering through dirt, gravel, sand, or any other rough surfaces. At the same time, this easy pull handle increased our maneuvering capability even more. And no matter if it was camping, boating, or just a picnic on the beach, this cooler made our trips really cooler. As it comes to its interior, let's open up the lid and check out what we're getting inside. And there we go. Here's a built-in bottle opener right on the cover. And this one is the Easy Pour air vent. This portion right here is a 2.8-gallon reservoir to keep your favorite drinks chilled and dispensed right through its tap. Now the rest of the space right here can hold up to 50 of the 12-ounce slim cans, 12 of the 25-ounce wine or other liquor bottles, 48 of the standard 12-ounce beer cans, and 40 pounds of ice, including these drinks. And you know what's interesting? Let us tell you, even after 7 days of an expedition trip, this cooler right here was well capable of retaining the ice. How amazing is that? We also found this dry rack very useful to keep steaks and other food items fresh during our trips. So as it comes to its functionality, we found the BRÜTANK very innovative with its built-in removable 2.8-gallon reservoir. And with the reservoir, we just mixed our drinks right here, and that's all. This tap dispenses pretty fluently. And with this spout cover, we got a clean, wasteless experience. This thing literally changed our whole experience of camping parties. Now this Easy Pour air vent right here fills up the missing air while pouring drinks through the tap, ensuring a seamless flow through the spout. And the best thing about the reservoir is that it's removable, which allowed us to remove and clean it pretty conveniently. Furthermore, this built-in bottle opener makes life easier without worrying about any external tool to open a liquor bottle. And not to mention, the EVA foam seat on the lid makes it more versatile, and you can just sit on it without worrying about its durability. Now, we've used a bunch of coolers before on a hefty amount of camping trips, and to be honest, the BRÜTANK was the one that actually met our expectations. With more than 7 days of ice retention, we think this thing right here is a beast. Not to mention combining all the other innovative features like a dispensable drink reservoir, built-in bottle opener, EVA foam seat on the lid, a pair of all-terrain rubber tires, and an easy pull handle. The BRÜTANK is a cooler, but cooler. We think that brings us almost to the end of the video, and overall we'll say with all the brilliant build, unmatched innovation and technology, and a way longer ice retention time, we definitely had an improved drinking experience with the BRÜTANK. So what do you think about it? Let us know in the comments section. And to enhance your experience even more, you can check out BrÜMate's website for additional accessories like the black ice pack, the BRÜTANK lock, and the BRÜTANK cup holder. So that was all for today. Thanks for watching our video. Go ahead and hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you found it helpful. To know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutDoorZone.com.